Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. And today we are going to be Loretta. No, I'm kidding. As you can see, Loretta is not here, and that's what today's all about. Our main quest is going to be trying to find Loretta. So if we just shimmy over to Tan, it says, "What happened to Loretta?" Emma, have you seen Loretta? No, she rode off on the wild bobcat track, but never came back. I'm worried that something happened to her, but I can't leave the paddock. All the other bobcats are out looking for her, but I need to stay here in case someone comes back with news. Someone comes back with news. I really need help to find her. Can you ride to the path along the cliffs over there by the mountain and look for her? Okay. Let's go, Nightstar. The funny thing is that all the bobcats are like chilling in the corner there. Loretta? No, oh my god, no, it's a stupid guy. Ugh, GED worker. Stop! This road has been declared unsafe. You can't walk, ride, or drive any further. There was a huge rock slide a little while ago, and large rocks have completely blocked the road. Have I seen a girl on a horse? No, but I hope for her sake that she's not lying under the pile of rocks over there. That's great. She'd be flat as a pancake. Thanks for the... To be honest, like, I bet when there's like a machine that comes fix this or something, that they just unlock there. Hey, you can't go there. I told you the road is blocked. Like, I bet when we unlock this that all the rocks stay the same, that just that red thing, like, leaves, but everything stays the same. No, I can't let you pass, even if your friend is in danger. The road must be cleared before I let you pass. Those are the orders I have, so I won't let you leave this place until Mr. Campbell tells me to. You have no idea what he'd do to me if he found out that I disobeyed his orders. If it's that important, why don't you go ask Mr. Campbell to send the bulldozer? Go find Mr. Campbell on the construction site, close to that beautiful large advertising board that you probably love looking at. Write to him and ask if he can hurry up and send a bulldozer. Okay. Come on, Nightstar, we're here to save Loretta. Let's go. I love the new sounds from Star Stable. They're like awesome. Oh, turn. Sorry, Nightstar. That was my fault. So, let's just... You guys should tell me. I have 4,000 star coins, as you can see, and I am not sure how... I am not sure. Like, I want to buy a pony and a horse, and I don't know which one, so you guys should tell me what horse should I buy, what pets, what ponies, and then I could make a video of buying ponies and horses and animals. That, I guess, is the bulldozer. Mr. Campbell, I don't like you. Ah! What do we have here? A little stable girl who dares come all the way up here? What do you want? To sabotage my powerful machines in a pathetic attempt to save that little pile of planks that you call a stable? Don't you worry, little girl. We will tear that stable down and build new luxury condos and sell them for fabulous amounts of money. Well, rather excellent, don't you agree? I'll get rich and the Moorlands won't get a shilling. That's how we work here at GED. Oh, you're not here to cause trouble? Really? You want me to lend you a bulldozer? You're funny, little girl. Ha ha ha. So you want me to send a bulldozer to clear the boulders off the road to rescue your friend? Yes, that sums it up, yes. I really should ask you for an outrageous amount of money, but I actually need to clear that road anyway. I'm waiting for the wrecking crew to come, and this rock slide will force them to take a detour. This is what we'll do. If you help me mark 4 trees for felling, I will send you a bulldozer, okay? Take this red tape and mark those 4 trees over there, and then I'll help you. Agreed? But I don't want to cut those trees down. The trees never did anything. I feel bad for the trees. They never did anything. Why do you even want to cut them? Like, what are you gonna do? Oh, I bet I know what he's gonna do. If you look carefully in this landscape, I bet he's gonna bulldoze this layer off and just kind of like improvise. I mean, build luxury condos, you know. I love how when you're on high mountains, you actually have like views and everything. Like Star Stable takes care of every single detail, you know. It's like awesome. Can't believe he hasn't realized that the lights on his board are off. I think Mr. Campbell should have realized that by now. If he didn't, that's kind of sad. Chapter. Stop! Okay. Good girl. Maybe you should think about working for us here at GED. We're always looking for people willing to destroy the environment. Oh, my promise? I don't remember any promise. You have to learn not to trust people. Ha ha ha. Anyway, I have already given the order to send the bulldozer, so you could say you did all this for nothing. See? There it goes. Playing dirty, man. Off with you, girlie. You and I are done here, for now. The bulldozer is on its way. You had better stay away while it's working, so you can go and update your friends or something. Now I must keep planning the demolition of your stable. Okay, let's go follow that bulldozer. Run, Nightstar, run. You're faster than that stupid bulldozer. Oh, okay. Get that bulldozer just left. Come on, Nightstar, we got this. We got this. Nope, sharp turn, wrong turn. Sorry, Nightstar, I'm sorry. I don't know where I'm going. Nightstar? I'm really sorry, Nightstar. Sorry about that. You seem to be happy, alright? Come on, Nightstar, let's go save Loretta. This Lusitano. Just saying, I'm buying all the Lusitanos, so you guys can't try and stop me, just by the way. And I just need to find all the Lusitanos. But I will find them. Yeah. News for 10. Have you got any news about Loretta, Emma? The bulldozer is on its way to clear the rock slide? Good. But remember that Mr. Campbell is a real dirty bag. That GED are about as trustworthy as a mouse in a cheese factory. Okay, Tan. The bulldozer should have cleared the road by now. Ride back over to the cliff wall and keep looking for Loretta. Oh, I hope she's alright. Hurry, Emma, hurry! Okay. Come on. Come on, we got this, Nightstar. We got this. See, I told you. All the rocks are still there. Nothing different. Oh, turn, sharp turns. Stupid thing is, when you take like if there's a rock and you go like that, you have to completely, how do I describe it? If, for example, oh, Loretta, hello. Oh. For example, if you're running against a tree like this, you have to take a really sharp turn, and then you're like too late for that. So it's like, you guys know what I mean? No, maybe, I don't know. Let's just go help Loretta. Hi, Emma. Are you a bit lost? Kinda, I guess. Oh, Tan sent you. That's nice of you both. Thanks. You're welcome. We need to go back to the stables. Let's race and see who gets back to Moreland Stables first. From here and back to Tan at the paddock. Let's go. This is so not fair. She starts at a gallop. I have to start from standing. That is so unfair. Lusitano's still there. Yeah, finished that race good. Oh, that Pintabian. That Pinto Arabian is super cute. That Pintabian. That was fast, so speedy. Woohoo! That was so much fun. Add it to your journal. 19 horse Bartok. Bobcat Girls, co-leader, co-founder. Yes. Oh, I'm also born in August. Sushi, same. Hobbies, Justin Moreland. Loretta is the queen bee of Moreland Stables and the co-leader of the Bobcat Girls Riding Club. Even though she can be a bit of a snob, I have to admit Loretta is a really good rider and loves her horse. The Yervik Gazette named her one of the rising stars in the national dressage scene. The next and fun listen. Okay. And if I can get past the attitude, she's a very loyal friend, especially to Tam. So, what else should we do? Is there any other quest for us over here, maybe? 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 Tan? Yeah, hello, Tan. Hello. Well, Bobcat track. You're really getting better and better, Emma. I think you're ready for a real challenge. As you helped us find Loretta, we'll let set you up on the wild Bobcat track. That makes kind of no sense, but okay. It's tough and dangerous, so take it easy. Remember, you're not a Bobcat girl yet, so don't feel bad if you don't beat our high scores. There's no shame in losing to the Bobcat girls, you know. Good luck with the race. Thanks. We got this, Night Star. Let's see if we can do this in 2 minutes. Hi, Charlotte. Hello. Hello, Charlotte. You know, we don't have to go around. We just cheat our way through here now, don't we, Night Star? Hey, that Lusitano was doing the same race. It looks like. It looks like. I love all the Lusitanos. Come on. See if we can do this in 1 minute. But you can't. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Night Star. I'm kidding. Look how pretty Night Star is. Oh. Oh, you're such a pretty horse. Tree, big tree. Look, tree, big tree. Oh my god, these stupid turns. Swear. Wish I could, walk through the flags. That'd make life so much easier. Abandoned farm. That's a new place. Yippee-yay. 1 more minute. Let's see if we can do this. Sharp turn. Me and my sharp turns. Oh, God. Let's see if we can level you up, huh? Francesca, how is she a Bobcat? That's unfair. That was pretty good. If you're up to it, you can try again. Just come talk to me and I'll let you have another go. Every time you compete in this race and perform well, you earn reputation. If you do well on the wild Bobcat track, all us Bobcats will see that you're good. I'm not promising anything, but if you earn enough reputation with us, then maybe, just maybe, you can become a member of our club. Awesome! Loretta, do you have something for us? You helped us in Moreland Stables with so much and have shown that you're a good rider. I hope that you would show us that, and that you have what it takes to join the Bobcats, and you have really exceeded my expectations. You really deserve to become a member of the Bobcat Riding Club. Yes! Welcome to the club, Emma. You're now a real Bobcat. Awesome! Oh, Lusitano. Welcome to the Bobcats Riding Club. Here's your reward, a Bobcat riding jacket, Tan. Ooh. No,